Heck, man. American Pickers ain't got nothing on me, man. Thanks. Secondhand. Hello, resellers, scrappers, salvagers, dumpster divers. What's your favorite name? All my fellow junkers and junkies out there. I know a lot of people over on our other channel kept on asking, and we're going to do these on here, but this is one of the reasons we haven't been doing too many what sold videos, is we do next day shipping most of the time, not all the time. And I didn't know if we were going to today because we just spent the last 2 hours looking for 2 books that got lost. We found them.
But it was a good thing because there was obviously a misorganization that needed to be fixed. So
because we're doing the big hillbilly shuffle around here, you know, moving stuff and changing areas away where you do it all, and that's, you know, we've got, you know, like I said, man, I've been reselling my whole life, but as far as eBay, what is it, 15 or 17 years or
2003.
Yeah, so I started playing with it in 2001, I think, right out of the money. So. Yeah, so, you know, but, so, I mean, even if you've been doing this for a long time, when you lose something, don't beat yourself up too much, because even after all these years, we still, you know, misplace it. Especially when you start getting up there in the numbers. You know, right now we're running about 1,000 items, and we thought that we had all of them, you know, in the crates and in the...
I mean, the books.
Yeah, and the books are, you know, our main thing.
Completely separate from all of our other merchandise on purpose, you know, of course, and they store
so it's all, man. So I mean, you'll go through that. Don't, you know, like I said, don't beat yourself up. We went ahead and put the stuff out here. As you can see, Miss Kitty looks a little bit chilly, and you know, the leaves, man, it's pretty out here, but still a little nipply. But anyway, man, so excuse me. So we're going to do what we sold basically last night. So I guess we'll just have to do us a little mountain junkers.
I was waiting.
I don't know what the people love that.
We are going to start with brand manufacturer. His name is Wright. W-R-I-G.
And this, man, this thing is an old
reciprocating.
Yeah, reciprocating. Very cool, man. Very rare old saw. It actually opened. Oh, I'm gonna actually set it over here, so you ain't gonna get to see it too much. I'm trying to set it back there.
No, over there.
That thing, they actually opened lumber. Oh, one of the logging towns up the road and stuff actually opened up the festival on the 4th of July with that saw. And as it runs and everything, it's a little bit, takes a little bit oomph to get it started, and it's sold for
$124.95.
Shipped? No, not shipped. What the heck?
$220.54 shipped. So it's going to be a pretty penny to get that thing shipped.
Yep.
Yeah, and I believe he was out of the country as well.
So it was $220
shipped.
$220 shipped. Shipped.
No.
What else?
Okay, next we have a vintage Humphreys propane wall sconce.
Kind of an old cabin. And nice old original glass.
That one sold for $34.93.
Shipped.
Very good. Next we have a vintage handmade wood recipe card caddy.
Cute little thing.
Through index category.
And it sits on the counter like that.
That one sold for $19.50.
Shipped. And when we say, when I do that, because I've had people before in the past, you know, what does shipped mean? You know, shipped. I can't even say it right. When we say shipped, that is the price that we give you. That is the price they paid to their front door.
Right.
Yep, total, with the shipping. All right.
Okay, the next one is a Lemhi Pass.
Oh, this thing, man, and this guy got it smoking.
1805 Meriwether Lewis, Idaho.
If I had more walls, man, because I got a lot of great pictures, man. This one, and Miss Kitty was actually pretty surprised that I let it go for the price.
It's a beautiful print.
Yeah, man, it's a rare one, and it's Sacagawea, and actually Sacagawea is not in this one, but it's a that's Lemhi Pass, which is in Idaho. Idaho Pass, and I had this thing on for a lot originally, and then I did a half off sale, and of course then when you do a sale, then they want a half off the half off, and I let him have it.
Yeah. So that one
I needed money, man.
That one sold for $37.74.
Shipped. My ship's out of practice.
You got that?
Did you notice that?
Do you need some? No, I think you're doing okay.
Oh, okay, thanks, Mom.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Woo.
Okay, next we have Making Farms Attractive for Pheasants.
And this is one of the ones we lost.
Yes.
That's a great old.
It's a really neat old one.
Yeah, if I can't remember the date, do you have a date on it? And then it's actually got a little smoky.
I don't have a date.
Smoky.
That one sold for $18.70.
Shipped.
Next we have a vintage Better B1 spark plug gap gauge made in the USA.
Pretty nice little thing. I almost kept it for my dang self.
It's very unique. And that one sold for $15.13.
Sure.
Next, we have a great little cookbook, Rocky Mountain Kettle Cuisine.
This is another one we lost, man.
Yes.
But we got them both. Pretty happy, man. Nice little.
Very nice book. That one
Dutch
sold
oven.
for $13.27.
Sure.
Next, we have antique large cast iron mortar bowl and pestle.
This one. Let me get the dust out of it. Man, this one I've shown.
She doesn't want the dust bunnies with it.
Yeah, she don't?
No.
And it's actually one of our, I guess it's a friend's grandma.
Well, all together, the whole family.
The whole family, man. We love y'all.
Yeah, she raised her son on selling on eBay, and now he has followed her lead and is raising his daughter, little Miss Ginger Lily.
Yeah, that's the video.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
so awesome.
yeah.
The video you can actually look on our other channel. Check out, because this is our, our cell channel or Mountain Junkers channel we're trying to build. But make sure you go over and check out the link below and go over to Idaho Hillbilly, and you can actually see she sent us and she really loves Miss Kitty.
Yeah,
who don't love Miss Kitty? All right.
Okay, so next we have a vintage broken USFS
Oh,
United
yes.
States Forest Service
This
padlock.
this is pretty funny because I actually got this in a box of junk, and this is if you watch my other channel, always referring there, but we ran fish fences, and these are actually the same locks that we get the key. You gotta have you gotta sign out for a key and everything, and this one's all broken stuff. But this came and out of an old barn. It was in a box of junk, but it's broken. Everything. It's not usable. And but it's pretty cool.
Yep, that one sold for $29.30.
Sure.
Did we say how much the bowl and pencil sold for?
Oh no.
No, we did not. Sorry. Right back to that real quick. That one sold for $65.83.
Sure. Well, that was a pretty smoking deal on that.
Yeah, that was nice. Nice one. Okay, and next we have a vintage glass bottle flask with shot glass.
I should have kept this one a tinkle.
Yeah, tincture.
That's pretty cool.
Nice.
It's got a nice little aluminum, man. Nice little fake leather case.
That is called pleather.
Pleather, man.
That's the word plastic and leather mixed
good.
together.
Pleather.
Pleather.
F-L-A-U-X. Fake.
Faux.
Faux.
That one sold for $23.95.
Shipped.
Okay, and last but definitely not least, we have a pair of Cabela's Thin Slate Ultra Warm Hunting Work Boots, size 10.5 EE, and those sold. You gonna show?
All right, man. You want me to jump over? Yes, ma'am. I was kind of enjoying myself. I was thinking, dang, I need a cup of coffee. Nice boots, and I actually picked these up at a little junk shop. Man, cheap little junk, great little junk shop. And
Hope to wear 'em.
you didn't pay much. And I wear a size 11 double E, and they were 10.5 double E, but you know how boots and stuff like that ran together, so I didn't try them on. I just bought them because I knew I could probably resell them. So they're not a high dollar boot, but they're a nice, warm, quality made boot.
Yeah.
They sold for
$39.61.
shipped.
That would be it for today.
So that was just, man, yesterday was a good day.
Yeah, it was a great day. I loved hearing that cha-ching.
Oh, yeah, all day long. It was great. And we had actually ran up and did, on our other channel, went up and did just kind of a nature video yesterday.
I needed a hike.
Yeah, man, seen some awesome, amazing deer and big old buck and buck chasing a doe. Got it on film. That was pretty cool. And did a little bit of junking while we were up there, and so you can check that out. And then so today's Sunday, so I hope y'all remember to turn your clocks back. Getting that extra hour was nice. It gave us an extra hour to look for 2 lost books. our extra hour, and then we used another one, man. We borrowed one.
I see that time spent as
It turned out good.
Organization.
Yep.
Because obviously we had an issue. So.
And we'll give, somewhere down the line and stuff, we'll show our whole, because we're actually in the process. Right now we're running eBay out of 2 different buildings, and the goal is to get it all in one building, and we'll show all that as we roll along.
You mean get the work stuff out of our living space?
Yes, exactly. Won't that be nice?
Yeah.
That's going to be great. So we're working along that, and other than that, man, I don't even remember how I end these ones. Keep your eye on the skyline and your nose to the wind is one of the ways. Yeah. And I hope you find color in the bottom of your pan. See ya!